Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Mozilla Firefox browser tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to reset settings to the default in Mozilla Firefox browser. If Firefox getting slowed down in our systems, this may due to use history and changes in default settings, and there is also a chance to become cluttered as we install add-ons over a time. So we need to reset the browser to its factory default state. For this we have refresh Firefox option, which fixes many problems like Firefox crashing, showing unwanted ads, and so on by restoring Firefox to its default state. And here I have opened a few tabs. Now to refresh Firefox, click on menu button at the top right corner of the Firefox window. From the drop down list, click on help. Then we will get the expanded help options. In this, please click on troubleshooting information, and it will open a new tab and showing the troubleshooting information. In this, please click on refresh Firefox button at the top right corner of this page, which will give Firefox a tune-up. Then we will get a warning window, start fresh to fix problems and restore performance. This will remove your add-ons and customizations, restore your browser settings to their defaults. To confirm these changes, please click on refresh Firefox. Firefox will close while it clears the data, and after few moments, it will reopen the fresh Firefox browser with the default settings and ask us for the confirmation if we want to restore the tabs we had open before it closed. So I will select to restore all windows and tabs. Then it will open the Firefox with the default tabs. By this we won't lose everything. Firefox will keep our bookmarks, saved passwords, and even it prompts us to open our currently open tabs after refresh, but it will delete our installed add-ins, and extensions and themes will be disabled. Also, it will erase all the data stored locally and clear the cookies and cached data. Like this, we can reset settings to default using refresh Firefox in Mozilla Firefox browser. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.